Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add a Fibonacci levels in TradingView chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView chart. Then let's add the Fibonacci. So click on this one and add your Fibonacci. So for example, let's add it here just for the sake of the video. Now, let's say you want to add a level here. For example, the 30% level. All you have to do is click on your Fibonacci like this. Click on the gear icon. And you have to look for if you found your level here. For example, we said the 30%. This one is the 30%, 0.3. Check it like this. As you can see, 30% level. You can change its color from here if you want. For example, like this or like this. Now let's add, for example, a level, another level, and let's say you don't find it here. All you have to do is check any one of these and change it to 0.33. Okay, I think that you get the idea. After you finish, as you can see, it's here. Let's uncheck this one. This is the 33 level. You can change the color also from here if you want. After you finish, just click on OK. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.